If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come, bring my spirits up. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
So we're approaching Street Vibrations. Bobby's gimbaled out, so you're gonna have to bear with me. I'll try not to switch around too quick. Expect lots of loud motorcycles. There's a super cute little chapel there with really bright windows. And this is more Burning Man art, like that big polar bear guy. So we get to see the rest of that. Are we going to use the safety of the crosswalk? We got to push the thing when we're thinking about going. Yeah, all down there is the booths and everything. Heck, the motorcycles in town. Okay.
Thanks. Got good brakes. He's got good brakes too.
Good brakes. What's that little weird thing out back there? And that house is roofed up.
Redoing the foundation and...
Or moving it. It's kind of trippy how they can literally move houses. And there's a piece of Burning Man art this way too, which we probably won't go that way. So, chapel of bells. Just get used to the bikers. Oh, I don't know why they're staring at us. I feel like we kind of blend in. Look at Bobby's shirt. And I'm representing his daughter and son-in-law's company. On the back of my shirt, I'll show you that later somehow. Would you get a quick shot of the back of my shirt representing for their company?
Cannagoons.
Cannagoon.
It's kind of good.
A Cannagoon for the day is Cannagoon. Yeah, exactly. Some more sculptures. You not go in there anymore? Looks like it's locked up. Where you can get closer to the polar bear. Some old neon signs. Not today. What movie had the thing that was like that and he would like just disintegrate into like a pile, like a mercury, and then reform into a shape of a... I wonder if they're chrome. Their music. So this will probably be... Oh, this is the new 4th Street. Okay. I'm trying to clean it up. Oh, you guys see over here what I can't see yet? Oh, awesome. These are all neon signs. I love these old neon signs. Okay, I get Glow Plaza now. At night, these are all glowing. Lots of flags flying above the booths. trouble like Adam. Bring it backstage. Oh yeah, look at all those bikes. I see lots of Harleys. Just gonna play it by ear on the.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.